Today, I will show you how to install PSP games on your PPSSPP emulator without the need of the ZArchiver app. I'm also going to be revealing the best settings to utilize on any device to get the best FPS and performance. Now, simply open your Google Play Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now, once you search for this, make sure to download this gold version so you can see it, golden version. So make sure this is what you download to your device. Now, once you've downloaded it, simply open the app for the first time. Once you open the app for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. It's going to take you to your main directory. Then use any folder of your choice. As for me, I like using document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow, then I'll click on OK. Now it's going to bring me to the PSP interface. You can see there's no game in here to play. Now all we have to do is locate our game file and make sure you are using the PPSSPP golden version, because if you are not using the gold version, what I'm about to do right now might not actually work for you. So all you have to do, click on this browse icon you can see at the top, click on browse and then locate your game files. So I'm going to be locating my game files right now. So you can see I'm currently having 2 game files here. So I'm going to be starting with this. So I'm going to click on it. Oh, sorry, just click on use this folder. You are going to see use this folder below. So just click on it. So once you click on use this folder, you see that the game files are going to appear in the PSP emulator. So now what you have to do next is just click on any of them that you want to play. So right now I'm going to be clicking on the one below. So once I click on it, you can see the install icon or you can see the play icon. I will advise you to install first before actually playing it. So I'm going to click on install, and just like that, it's going to start installing. Alright, right now it is done installing to my device. So I'm going to click the back button and you can see the game is right there and is ready to play. You can see it at the top. The game is right there and ready to play. So let's do it for this other game at the top. So we're going to click on install. Okay, now you can see that both games are now showing at the top and they are ready to play. So this is how you actually install PSP games on your PPSSPP Gold emulator without the ZArchiver app. Now you are going to be needing some settings to get the best FPS and performance on any device. So I already have a dedicated video for that. So kindly stick to the end of this video so you can have access to those settings. Now let's give these 2 games a try and see how it goes.
Round 1. Fight!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.